What's up, you guys? I'm so excited to be camping right now. I love being outside. But right now, I need to do a gear review for you because it's such a cool thing that I don't want to just keep it to myself. I want to share it with you guys. And today's gear review is sponsored by the one and only Snow Peak Outdoors. You guys know them, you guys love them. They make great, amazing, high quality camping products. And today, they were kind enough to send me over their iron grill table. And I can't wait to do an unboxing, set up, and show it to you guys. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys. So here it is. This big box contains the iron grill top table. So let's open it up. Now, Snow Peak was kind enough to send this over for us to do a review on, and I cannot wait. I've seen this product a long time, and I'm just very excited to have it and to be able to share it with you guys. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what you get and how to set this thing up. Because it might look complicated, but it's really very simple. Anyone can do it. But if I can do it, you guys can do it. So, let's get to it. First of all, it's packed very well. Packaged very well. Very well packed. Compact design. Look at that. So this is the frame. Oh wow, it's heavy. This is solid, you guys. This is solid steel. Made in Japan. Snow Peak. Heavy duty metal. Put this aside. This is a carry pouch. So yeah, basically all this stuff goes in there. And we got 4 legs for the stand. Also very heavy duty. This is I believe it's a sink or like a wet storage. It's a waterproof bag. Put that over here. Then we have a tabletop burner, well, flat burner. Oh, this is pretty cool, you guys. This is actually a cutting board. It's a knife case, but when you open it up, it acts as a cutting board. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. And these are like condiment holders, like your ketchup, mustard, spices, barbecue sauce, stuff like that. Get 2 of these. And that's the whole unboxing. Wow, very nice. Very nicely packed. Now it's time to set it up. All right. Very high quality, very durable steel. Hey, you guys. take the burner. So this is the waterproof case. Slides in like this. And then you can just open it up like that. It's not really a sink. It's just like a place where you can put food, stuff like that. I'm probably gonna see if I can add a sink to it later on. Get a nice little Dometic faucet. The ground's a little wobbly. There's rocks and all that. But this is the burner. Everything is really well packed. The burner like this. And a good thing that I want to tell you guys is that the burner here, you can actually use it as a tabletop burner. What I mean by that is they have legs that you could attach to it and you could put on the table. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. It goes like that. Obviously, I'm gonna take that out when I'm gonna use it. Storage pins like that. You know, I'm probably not gonna leave them that close to the burner if you don't want your food to get hot or whatever, or your sauces to get hot. This is the cover. This thing is extremely well packed. Extremely. Here's the knife that they give you. Snow Peak. And then, check this out. Your very own cutting board. Yeah, just like that, you guys. Check that out. How cool is that? Well, there you have it, you guys. The Snow Peak Iron Grill Table. Now, you can obviously customize this table to your liking. You could add actually 2 burners. And from what I understand is these are accessories that you can buy. And you can just expand it. You could probably add like a dry rack. You could add more stuff over here. There is a slot over here where you could slide more cutting boards, more storage containers, anything that you could think of. Snow Peak has it. I'm really impressed with this table. I cannot wait to start cooking on it. And you know what? I'm actually going to start cooking on it tonight. Why wait? Oh, and most of these things have their own carry case, and that is super cool. Well done, Snow Peak. You can see how beautiful everything just sits perfectly in this iron grill table. Well, I hope you enjoyed this gear review. I highly recommend this product. It is awesome. It's one of a kind. I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to use it tonight. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for you